Now, two testing sites in Duval County are switching gears to get more people vaccinated. Mayor Lenny Curry held a virtual briefing today and gave some updates about that expansion of the vaccination process. On your sides, Brianna Ray Turner is live with those updates. Brianna.
Yes, I'm at the location where the vaccines are going to be distributed this Saturday, the Mandarin Senior Citizen Center. One of the employees tells me that they've been getting calls all week, and starting Monday, the distribution will be first come, first serve from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m.
As the weeks go on, Mayor Lenny Curry has been updating Jacksonville's COVID-19 vaccination efforts. Going into effect today at 5 p.m., two of the City of Jacksonville's COVID-19 testing sites will be closed and transformed to provide vaccinations.
These two sites, the Mandarin Senior Center and Lane Wiley Senior Center, will cease their testing operations and flu vaccines at 5 p.m. today to begin the conversion process to vaccines.
The two sites will be offering only COVID-19 vaccines on Monday, January 11th, for only these specific groups.
To those 65 and older, frontline medical workers, and first responders.
Mayor Curry says the team is still working on the process of this transition.
At the same time tomorrow, I will provide another more detailed update that includes the hours of operation, the vaccination process, and more for these two locations.
And as a reminder, Mayor Curry says there is still limited availability for the vaccines.
That's why personal responsibility remains our greatest tool in combating this virus. Our numbers are trending upward. The virus is spreading as we knew it would.
That means wearing your mask, staying away from large crowds, and practicing good hygiene.
I'm asking the people of Jacksonville to continue to do their part as they have done to protect themselves, their families, and their neighborhoods.
Tomorrow, Mayor Curry will have more details and information about the distribution that's going to be starting on Monday. For now, live in Jacksonville, Brianna Ray Turner, Frisco's News on your side.
That's helpful. Thanks. Stealing